the channel. So I'm here with another video. Today's video is going to be on this gorgeous unit that I'm wearing, provided to me by samsbeauty.com. Make sure that you guys check out samsbeauty.com. I always let you guys know where I'm getting my units, and majority of the time, like I would say at least 95% of the time, I'm getting my units from samsbeauty.com. Okay, they are either sponsored or I'm spending my own coin, period. So this one here is one of their studio cut wigs. It's the natural deep part lace wig in the style DPL001. And I have her in a color OT27. So if this does not give Beyonce vibes, I don't know what does. This is really really bomb. I really love this effortless natural density unit. And when I tell you synthetic wigs have come a long way, they have come a long way, because honey, this one here, it looks pretty legit, pretty human like, if you ask me. Not much I can complain about this unit. This is one of those units that you can just slip on, put your powder in the part and go. You feel me? You don't even have to do the little swoop-de-doo that I did, but that's just me, you know. But anyway, I'm loving the color. I love the gradual effect of the actual color. It just looks really good. So let me know what you guys think. I will give you guys a closer in-depth look of the stock card, of the cap construction, all of that good stuff, and how I installed this unit. So definitely make sure that you watch all the way until the end. I love you guys so much. If you have further questions, leave those down below in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, stay hustling, and I will see y'all later. Deuces.